The Fox Ghost. Many animals used to live in a forest. All considered themselves more intelligent and powerful than each other. That's why they used to fight with each other. One day, a fox came from another forest to their forest. At the time of her arrival in the forest, in the very beginning, she met a jackal. The same time, one elephant was drinking water in the pond. The fox also stopped and starts drinking water there.
What are you doing here? It's my time to drink water. Go from here.
What is all this? Is there any time to drink water too?
Yes, this is the case. Go from here. Otherwise, it will not be good for you.
I will just drink a little water. Please let me drink.
Hearing the fox, the elephant gets annoyed. He looks at the fox in anger. Seeing the elephant in anger, the fox gets scared and goes away from there.
First of all, this is a new forest. And above this, an angry elephant. Wow! I have received a lot of good welcome.
Looks like this fox is new in the forest. Let's do some mischief. Looks like you are new to this forest.
Yes, I came into this forest today only.
Hey, when you have come into this forest, then I want to tell you one rule of the forest. Every animal in the forest has to hold and pull the trunk of the elephant at least once in a day.
But why?
Because the elephant works from its trunk all the time. So when he gets tired, then somebody has to pull his trunk so that his fatigue can be reduced.
As the wolf was speaking this, then only he sees an elephant coming from far. Seeing the elephant, the wolf quickly moves away and hides behind a tree.
Now it will be fun. Tomorrow this elephant had scolded me for my mischief. Today the fox will drag his trunk. How much fun it will be to see this view.
Suddenly, the elephant reaches near the fox and begins to speak to himself without paying attention to the fox.
Oh God, today I am very tired. Let's relax a bit.
As soon as the elephant speaks to himself, the fox grabs his trunk and pulls it, because of which the elephant gets screamed in anger.
Who is this? Who got so much courage?
As soon as the elephant sees down in anger, he sees the fox standing there. Seeing the fox there, the elephant becomes angrier and starts pushing with his trunk. Because of that, the fox directly collides with a large tree. Seeing all this, the wolf gets scared and goes away to the fox.
What happened? I was just doing mischief, but the elephant actually attacked her. Are you alright? Is something happening to you?
The fox does not answer anything when wolf asked. Then the other animals of the forest also gather there. Seeing the condition of the fox, all the animals ask the wolf,
Who is this? Before today, we have never seen her.
Hey, bear brother. Maybe she has come from another forest. But what has happened to her? She is very badly injured. We should help her.
Listening to all animals, elephant and wolf got scared. Wolf fears his mischief and elephant fears his deed, that what he has done with the fox. They both call the fox as their friend and take her from there and bury her near the river.
No animal in this forest should know about this fox.
Yes, you said absolutely right. If that happens, then our truth will be revealed to everyone.
Slowly the wolf and elephant also forget about the fox and everything becomes like as before. One evening, when the elephant was drinking water near the river, he realizes that someone is behind him.
Is there anyone here? Who's here?
There were no references to the elephant's frequent voices. Therefore, he was considering it as his own superstition. He goes from there after drinking the water of the river. After a few days, The superstition of elephant changes into fear because he starts feeling like someone is there near the river every day. One day, when the elephant was resting in the forest, then only the wolf comes to him.
What happened to you, elephant brother? Why are you so upset? Is everything all right?
Whenever I drink water on the river in the evening, I feel like someone is standing behind me. But as soon as I look back, there is no one there. I think there is a ghost in the forest.
It's definitely your superstition. There are no such thing like ghost.
Saying this, the wolf goes from there. That night, when Wolf was roaming outside his cave, he sees a shadow of someone in front of him.
Which animal is this?
Thinking like this, Wolf shouts.
Who are there? Come in front.
The shadow disappears as soon as it is said by the wolf. The next day, Wolf talks about this with the elephant, whereby both of them get scared and start thinking about the fox. Only then, the other animals of the forest also reach there.
Do you all know that there is a ghost in this forest?
There are no such things as ghosts. It's just the superstition of all of you.
Even every evening, I realize someone being behind me near the river.
I had also seen the shadow of an animal near my cave last night.
If it is so, then why not us awake all night together and see who is the ghost after all?
All agree with the talk of deer and sit in one place at night. All the animals were talking among themselves. Then they saw a shadow of an animal there. Seeing the shadow, all got up and start running behind the shadow.
Who are you? Stop there! Otherwise, I will kill you!
As the lion speaks, the shadow stops at its place. All the animals think that he is a thief who has come to steal their food by scaring everyone in the forest. Thinking like this, the monkey speaks.
Okay, you are a thief who has come from another forest to steal our food and scaring us by becoming a ghost.
Speaking of this, the animals move forward, and as soon as they reach that shadow, the shadow disappears from there. Seeing all this, all the animals get stunned and start looking around, but they could not see anyone.
Surely there is a ghost in the forest. How can an animal disappear from the front of the eyes so quickly?
Yes, I agree with the elephant's point of view. This must definitely be the ghost of that fox.
Ghost of the fox? But in our forest, there was no fox ever.
The fox was not there. But some time ago, a fox came to the forest who was the friend of the elephant and wolf.
But she had gone back.
After that, all the animals start looking at elephant and wolf. They all hear a voice.
No one will survive. All will die.
She was not our friend.
Then what was the fox doing in our forest?
No. This wolf has gone crazy. She was our friend.
Listening to the elephant, a shadow comes out from the bushes and speaks.
This is a lie. I was new in this forest.
After that, all the animals feel very confused and the wolf becomes very scared. He tells the whole truth. Then all the animals get angry.
How can you both do this?
After that, you again lied to all of us. Both of you should get punished.
I used to think that all the animals might fight with each other, but you would also kill other animals. I did not know it. You both will definitely get the punishment.
I just want justice for the fox. Now you are doing justice, then I can come out.
Only after listening to the shadow, they were completely shocked. Only then, a jackal comes out from behind the bushes. Everyone was surprised to see it.
So you were scaring everyone like a ghost. But why did you do this?
Because I just wanted the justice for the fox. When she came to the forest new, she first met me. But in the spirit of taking revenge from the elephant, the wolf did mischief. An elephant killed the fox in anger and lied to all of you and took her near the river and buried her. I had seen all this. That's why I did all this to get justice done.
Upon hearing about the jackal, the lion gets annoyed and decides to take out the wolf and elephant from the forest in order to justice with the fox.